Okay, so we are going to look at this example. This one we're just looking for a pattern. There is no nice rule from our explicit formulas that we have here. So as we've talked about, the pattern seems to be you take the first two, add them together, you get the next. Add these together, get the next. Add these together, get the next. So our prediction would be add these together, 3 plus 5, get the next. So our next term would be 8. So we're going to write this recursively. And I'm just going to kind of take the language that I just said. In order to get my terms, I take this plus this and get this. So in other words, I need to know where to start this. I actually need to know two things. I need to know my first term, and I need to know the next term because I need somewhere to start. So now that I have those two terms, in order to find the next term in the sequence, I'm going to take the previous term and add it to its previous term, which we designate as a to the n minus 2, right? If this is the previous term, then this has to be the one that came before it. Any questions on that?
So how could we end at 0?
You could have. So the question was asked, why did you start at 0? Usually we either start at 0 or 1. If we have two of them, a lot of times we'll just start at 0, then go to 1. It doesn't actually matter.
So each time we just do it, then we continue going an minus 3.
Right, so if we were to add more terms, like if it had been, hey, take the first three terms and add them together, then it would have been a to the n minus 1 plus a to the n minus 2 plus a to the n minus 3. Think of them as previous, right? Each of these means the previous term before the one we just saw.
So is that the final answer?
Yep, our final answer, this is our final answer. We've got our first two terms. It says in order to find the next one, we take the previous term. So A1 was this. We take its previous term, 1, add them together, 1 plus 1 is 2. We can keep on going.